Hello and good day. My name is Marian Cristia Sibu and today I'll be performing a DNA extraction performance task. Let's go! Hello again. So here are the materials needed. I will show the picture of it. So as you can see, I am here peeling the banana and placing it in the Ziploc. I'll speed it up. As you can see, I'm not wearing any gloves, but don't worry, I've washed my hands every time I laid contact with an object. Here's the banana zoomed in, and here's me slowly crushing it and gently. Yeah, I gotta just squash them and then I need to speed it up in this clip. I went to grab another banana because one banana is not enough for this project. Speeding it up again because, yeah. After I finished crushing the banana with the Ziploc on it, I went to grab the hot water and applied it with salt. As you can see, here is the hot water and the salt. I took a teaspoon of it. A teaspoon or is that a spoon? I think it's a teaspoon because the way I mixed it is just a, yeah, teaspoon. After mixing the salt with hot water, I placed the hot water inside of the Ziploc with the mashed bananas. Took me a while because the mashed bananas looked a little, yeah, something. And I made a lot of mess. And now, time for me to add the dish soap. After adding the hot water and the dish soap, I carefully and gently squeeze it with my hand for a few minutes. I'd say it was just 5 to 6 minutes carefully so that it will dissolve carefully also. I place the tissue over a funnel which leads down to a clear cup, and so that I will dissolve and separate the DNAs, like the banana's DNA now. I carefully pour the DNA to the funnel. The banana's DNA onto the funnel it goes. I waited for some time for the banana DNA to slowly drop down. But since it took me a lot of patience, I just squeezed the tissue so that the banana's DNA will go faster. I squeezed it carefully and gently so that the banana itself won't fall down into the cup. While waiting again, I decided to eat some bananas because why not? Because this task is all about DNA extraction, about banana, I guess. And another sped up time because, yeah. I cut the clip again because I went to wash my hands, and here I am squeezing the DNA and ignore the mess. I now pour the DNA onto a smaller cup, and I also went away to get a isopropyl called ethanol. Here it is, the DNA up close. Here is the cold isopropyl alcohol, and I carefully poured it for 1 to 2 inches thick. Here's the DNA up close so far. I will show a picture of it later on after the DNA slowly moves and shows up. So I left it alone for 7 to 10 minutes, so I waited for a line or any DNA signs that I can visibly see it. So while I was waiting, I was also cleaning the area. The moment of truth, here's the DNA. Oh, as you can see, there it is. It's quite not visible, but I'll bring it closer to the screen. Here it is up close to the screen so far, and here's a toothpick, I guess. Me showing it carefully, and it doesn't really show. Oh, there it is. It's not so clear, but at least you can see it. The rest of the clip is just me enjoying the activity because of the DNA. It was actually super fun to study this and to learn about it also. And here are the pics for up close picture. Thank you again for listening to my presentation. Bye!